Hello, welcome to Gladys Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to download and install TikTok app on your device. So the first thing you have to do if you're making use of Android is to go to your Play Store app. The next thing you have to do is to click on the search option. Clicking on the search option, you just have to click on the search and type in TikTok. Now click on the search. I already have TikTok on my mobile device, but if you don't have, you're going to see option for install. Because I already have TikTok on my device, that's why I'm seeing option for open. So guys, you just have to click on the install option and it's going to take some time, few minutes to install on your device. So guys, likewise iPhone, if you have an iPhone, you just have to go to your app store, search for TikTok and click on the install option in order to install it on your device. So guys, if this video was helpful, do want to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this.